There are two kinds of people in the digital realm: the conformist API consumers and the renegade web scrapers. It's always been a gray area, scrapping valuable data from websites, but what happens if you get caught? Jail time?
Stop! You violated the law.
Crippling debt? The U.S. District Court in Delaware just dropped a bombshell. They ruled that Booking.com violated the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act by scraping data from Ryanair's website. Booking.com tried to countersue for defamation, calling Ryanair's accusations of being an online travel agency pirate a bit harsh, but the court wasn't having it, saying facts don't care about your feelings, and dismissed the countersuit. This isn't the first time web scrapers have clashed with the law. Remember 3Taps versus Craigslist? 3Taps scraped data from Craigslist for PadMapper, an apartment search website. When Craig found out, he got mad, blocked their IPs, and sent a cease and desist letter. 3Taps didn't back down until they were sued and had to pay millions of dollars. Lesson: if a company tells you to stop scraping, you better stop scraping, or you might be drained for all you have. But wait, there's more. In 2019, the HiQ Labs versus LinkedIn case changed the game. HiQ scraped data from LinkedIn in order to predict employee turnover. LinkedIn sent a cease and desist letter, but the court sided with HiQ. The Supreme Court even backed this decision, allowing HiQ to access LinkedIn's public data. Scrapers rejoiced. Let's get ethical for a second. On one hand, the data is out there for the public, so it's not exactly theft, right? But exploiting someone else's data for profit could be seen as copyright violation. In Booking versus Ryanair, Booking was scraping and reselling Ryanair's tickets for profit without permission, and that's where things got dicey. If you're a web scraper, the law you want to know is the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act, CFAA, enacted in 1986. It's been used to protect public data. If a company blocks you and you keep scraping, you could be in trouble. But remember, HiQ Labs showed us that sometimes the scrapers win. And just a couple of weeks ago, scrapers scored another victory. If you're building an AI tool like GitHub Copilot and scrape an open source code, you're in the clear. A lawsuit claiming Copilot ignored licenses and violated developers' rights was dismissed with prejudice. This means it can't be refiled, so score 1 for the scrapers. So will you go to jail for scraping a website? Well, I'm not a lawyer, but if you're accessing publicly available data and not defrauding anyone, the chances of jail time are slim. The real risk is being sued by a megacorporation, which could financially cripple you. In conclusion, web scraping is walking a fine line between illegality and ethics. As long as you play it smart and know when to stop, you should be safe, but always consult a lawyer if you're unsure. So what do you think? Is web scraping fair game or a risky venture? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the likes and subscribe for more tech updates, and I'll see you in the next one.